how can I help you?
Yeah, I had called last week. I was calling to see if Fuckface was there. I said I was going to throw you down the stairs. Remember?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, massage place.
Excuse
Hello?
me. Excuse me. I like to drink before I get my massage. Yeah, hello?
Yes?
You fool ass, can you hear me?
Hello?
Did you hear that? I'm ready for action, baby.
Oh, did you want a massage? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, you want a massage?
Yes.
What time come here?
Hour?
What time come here?
Huh?
What time come
Hello?
here?
Hello?
Yes.
Sir?
What time come here?
1 hour?
1 hour? You know our place?
Hello?
You know our place?
Yeah.
Okay, it's...
How much 1 hour? I throw you down the stairs, 1 hour.
60 1 hour.
How much?
60. 60.
60?
Yes.
And I can throw you up and down the steps.
Oh my God. 1
Excuse
hour
me.
$60, you include the shower.
What was that?
1 hour $60,
Uh-huh.
you include the shower.
Includes a shower?
Yes.
Yeah, 'cause I just got a little on me after that last one.
Oh, this is for body massage.
Can you do anything about that?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Are you still there? I'm sorry, I don't feel so good.
Oh, it's okay, no problem.
But I can still throw you down the stairs.
Yeah, this anytime come here, no problem. I'm working 7 days, 9 to 11 p.m.
Oh boy, here we go.
Yeah, 9 to 11 p.m.
Oh boy. Oh, good Lord.
Yeah.
Good one. Ugh. I ate a lot of Chinese food today.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Hello?
Yes?
I'm sorry. Okay. How long are you going to be there?
What time come here? Anytime come here, no problem.
Oh.
Yeah?
Okay.
Now come here, it's better, it's no problem. It's up to you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, now it's quiet, okay?
Okay, baby.
Okay, thank you.
I'll see you soon, sexy.
Bye-bye.
I'm on my way.